Okay, so I'm repeating again the conversion operation on pandas. Okay, so I think first of all, using pandas, we have to import the pandas module, import pandas as PD. Then we have to আমাদের কি করতে হবে, আমাদের একটা ভ্যারিয়েবল নেম নিতে হবে, সেখানে pd.read.csv. This is the function that will read our CSV files, read_csv, and this is the location. তুমি যদি ভালো করে ভিডিও ফলো করো, ওখানে আমার বলা আছে যে লোকেশন যখন আমি সিলেক্ট করে এখানে কপি পেস্ট করছি,
হুম
তখন
হুম
ফ্রন্ট স্ল্যাশ গুলো সব মানে
হ্যাঁ
ব্যাক স্ল্যাশ গুলো সব ফ্রন্ট স্ল্যাশে
হ্যাঁ
থাকবে,
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
ওগুলোকে চেঞ্জ করে ব্যাক স্ল্যাশে করতে হবে, এবং লাস্টে কিন্তু অবশ্যই ডেটা সেট নেম ডট সিএসভি থাকবে।
হুম
কনভার্সন অপারেশন, নাও দিস ইজ দ্য পোর্শন কনভার্সন অপারেশন। এই আচ্ছা, এই এক্সাম্পলটার কোন জায়গাটা তুমি বুঝতে পারছো না, এক্স্যাক্টলি সেই জায়গাটা বলো।
ওই স্যার ড্রপ না থেকে পুরোটাই কনফিউশন লাগছে স্যার।
ড্রপ না
Sir,
থেকে, আচ্ছা।
English.
Okay, sorry, we are studying English, no issue. So
হুম
the portion that will discussed again, the conversion. First of all, we have to create, or sorry, you have to import the module, import pandas as PD. Then the dataset read done. Then dropna, what will act, or what the work process of dropna? It will dropping the null value columns to avoid errors. Okay, and what is the purpose of in place is equal to true? In place is equal to true means it will permanently deleted or permanently accent with our data set. Okay,
আচ্ছা
so if you not write in place is equal to true, the action will be okay. But in place is equal to true means it will work as well in our data set too. Permanently, it will dropping all the null values from our data set. Okay, so
ওকে
data dot dropna is the function to dropping any value, null value columns or something else. So now we have just store, okay, or data type. Okay, I am wanted to convert some data type of our data set. I am wanted to convert the data type of some column names, okay, in our data set. So first of all, we are storing the data set. So the data set variable name is before. Here I am taking a variable name that is before is equal to, first before is taking a variable, then data dot d types. This is the function to find out the the data type. Okay, d types. This is the function, or you can say argument, that will find the data types. Now we have to convert. I am again repeating that all the actions of our data set, or with our data set, we have been doing. First, carefully checked our data set. However, or whatever the column names is there, very much carefully, or what action or what process, what operation you want to do with your data set, please look very carefully. So here in our data set, there are three columns: duration, calories, max pulse. Okay.
ওকে
Previously, okay, what will be the data type? Okay, first of all, okay. So here, print before conversion, then before. This will print the previous data type before conversion. This will print before the conversion, means here our inbuilt column data types: duration column integer, pulse column integer, max pulse column also integer, but calories column float. Okay, it is inbuilt, it is previously from our data set, but now we want to change sum of the columns data type. So how we can do that? For that, there are the special syntax that will already showed in your screen. Example, data, the variable name where you stored your CSV file or data set. Square bracket open, inverted comma start, then the column name. Then inverted comma stop, square bracket close, again data, the variable name, same as previous. Then dot. This is the function that will change your data type. S type, comma, str.
স্যার ওখানে যদি আমি ইন্ট দিই,
Int তো already রয়েছে. Int is previously already duration is integer. That's why I am asking you very much carefully notice your data set. Already you find that duration column is in integer. So how or why it is necessary to again doing integer? Already duration column is integer. But I want to change duration column from integer data types to string or object data type. So that's why I'm repeating again, string and object same data type. Okay. So
ওকে স্যার।
this is the rules. Again, in space of duration, you can use calories, max pulse. Okay, here for calorie column, I want as same integer, but for max pulse column, I
I
just
just
want
want
to
to
convert the data type in float. Okay, now when the conversion done, then we store. Before conversion, we also store in a variable that is before. After conversion, we also store again. Now I am taking the variable name after. Then same, the syntax is same, data dot dtype. And now the printing portion as your own. Printing portion, you just do print before, or you can also do print after, simple way. No, nothing important or to write before conversion, after conversion, then this is. You also just print before, print after, you also do that. So what will be the result? If we check the result, okay, I have just to say, just a second, just location changed already. Just a second. Okay, now it's done. So if you check before conversion, the data types are duration integer, pulse integer, max pulse integer, calories float. After conversion, duration change into object data type means string. Duration change into object data type. Pulse already integer. Max pulse change into float data type. Previously max pulse were integer. And calories from float, it is changed to integer.
ইন্টিজার। ওকে।
So in this way, we can change the data type in some columns in your data set. Clear?
Okay. Clear, sir.
Okay, so from today we'll start Matplotlib. Okay, so anybody from your side, just I want to know a short, uh, just information what you know about Matplotlib.
Sir, it is used for visualization like charts and graphs.
Yes, and any other uh, except Matplotlib. There is also Seaborn, but
Yes, sir, Seaborn.
any more. One is there are so many visualization library you can say or visualization module. Okay, one is Matplotlib, the basics of Python. Second one is Seaborn. You can note. You can note. Okay, I'm write down. But any of two or three, it is enough to know. Matplotlib. Number two is Seaborn. This two is very special. Number three is what will be Plotly? Yes, Plotly. And number four is Bokeh, Bokeh. Number five will be ggplot, or it has another name that is called Plot9. Number six, you can say Gleam, Gleam. Then number seven, you can say Geoplotlib for the geological data analyst. Geoplotlib mostly used. Okay, in NASA or ISRO, the basics project that will be happen starting there. The visualization things in coding portion use help of Geoplotlib and missing also there. Missing no, sorry. And then leather also there. And number 10, folium also there. That's it. Number 10. And one more is there, I think. Num alt. That's altar or altair. That's some name there. Altair or altar. Altair. So that's 11 of it. It will be used as visualization module or visualization library in Python. First Matplotlib, then Seaborn, Seaborn, then Plotly. We will discuss Matplotlib and Seaborn. If needed, then we will discuss Plotly. Three of enough. Okay. Then Bokeh also there, ggplot or Plot9 also there, Gleam, Geoplotlib, Missing No, Leather, Folium, and Altair. So this 11 of the Python visualization module. Okay, you can note it. Okay, but for basic or for mostly use of Matplotlib and Seaborn. So from today, I'm starting with Matplotlib. So Matplotlib is a low level or a basic plotting library, graph plotting library in Python, and it will help us for visualization. Mm, till today or till the previous class, already we have completed the main work of any project using Python. Okay. NumPy and Pandas. There are also more things also there, but the basic root, how the project is developed, how the project data analyzed also happen, data cleaning also happen, data manipulation also happen, how the operational things also happen with the data set already clear. From now, we will move on to the visualization portion in Python library. With Python programming language, how we can visualize our data set. Okay. So Matplotlib, the first module, it is a basic and low-level graph plotting library, and the Matplotlib was created by John D. Hunter. Okay, and as Matplotlib is open source, we can use it freely. We can also use it freely. Mostly Matplotlib not only use in Python. Mostly use in Python, but not only in Python. There are also some segment that will write written in their C, also JavaScript, also Objective C. Okay, in these three platform, it also use for visualization things. Okay, so this is the small description about Matplotlib. Everyone who is using Jupyter Notebook already Matplotlib installed, but then you please try pip install Matplotlib. Those who are using only Python, normal Python module, for them it is first time to use Matplotlib. So please install pip install Matplotlib, and you will see there will be message appear to installation. If any of you already done, then sorry, some types of message already. Okay, see, requirement already satisfied, requirement already satisfied. There are already the Matplotlib library installed in my system, and the notice you may need to start the kernel to use the updated package. So that's not necessary. If I want for the update package usage, just use the kernel or restart the kernel. So how we can do it? Okay, import matplotlib. Import matplotlib. That is the main syntax to using matplotlib. And if you want to check what is the version of your matplotlib, you can do it also. So for that, the syntax is import matplotlib, then print matplotlib dot underscore version underscore. This is the syntax, or this is the argument to check what version of your Matplotlib. Okay. 3.4.3. Anyone check with your system which version is going on in your system, in your Python Matplotlib library? You can do it. Now, what is pyplot? So many times we see to use the Matplotlib, but there are a few name that is pyplot. Okay, pyplot actually the subplot, or you can say uh, pyplot actually the main submodule in the Matplotlib module that will use for the visualization portion. Matplotlib is a total Python visualization module. Okay. And pyplot is a submodule inside it that is actually the reason for the visualized things. And the line that is most of all we are using, import matplotlib dot pyplot as plt. This as is known by allies. Allies mean as. Okay. means it is a
Sir?
shorter. Yes.
Sir, please show the code for find out the version. One second.
Okay. Yes. This is the code. Import matplotlib,
Version dot
then
version.
print
Okay, sir. Okay.
matplotlib dot underscore version underscore.
Okay,
And
sir.
this is the things, import matplotlib dot pyplot as plt. As means,
Sir,
yes.
sir, our version is 3.7.1.
Okay, you are more updated version, no issue.
Okay, okay.
It is different from any of you, because which version is installed in your system, which versions of Anaconda installed in your system, it will show as. Okay.
Sir,
So yes,
3.8.0.
yes, you are more updated version, because my Anaconda system is more previously. It is updated or installed in 2021. Okay. So that's why. So pyplot, pyplot the sub module in my matplotlib module, and as means allies, as means allies means pyplot as plt, import matplotlib dot pyplot as plt, means plt is the shorter version. Okay, when SQL practice session is going on, you can say that any table name we can change accordingly using as means allies, look like. Okay, there is a bigger name, something name, let's take in Gayatri name from starting G, and then there are surname. Just you please import Gayatri as GH, is the shorter version. So that's the thing using of A's. So there is a short brief about pyplot. Let's check what is it written here. Pyplot is a matplotlib module that provides a MATLAB. If you search in MATLAB, MATLAB is a totally separate visualization tool for working in industry level. Okay, industry level means not only in IT sector, civil, mechanical, or building making, any natural catastrophic measurement, anything. Okay, you can do with the MATLAB. MATLAB is a visualization, separate visualization tool, and that tool have the interface same. Matplotlib has same interface like MATLAB. Okay, when we import Matplotlib and then using for our data sets to visualize, it looks like same as MATLAB. Okay, so Matplotlib not only designed like MATLAB, it also has the ability to work like MATLAB in Python. And as it is free and open source, so it is also very much usable friendly. Okay, and the each subplot module, pipe means pyplot. Okay, it also changes the figure accordingly. Means in the MATLAB, if anyone from your side don't know, I in my life I am using one time with my roommate in the MATLAB portion for the dataset visualize in. So there I just think how if we put a figure, perfect figure configuration or perfect graphical configuration, some data mod visualization tool also there, if we put, that cannot be changed. Okay, but MATLAB is very much, you can say it is very much as user friendly. It will change according, if you first of all put any figure measurement, but after creating this measurement, after creating the figure, you can change it also. So just same as Matplotlib, so it also creates a figure, create the plotting area, plotting the graph, but also you can changes after creation. Okay, you can changes by separately the measurements changes. You can do it, and basically visualization means how you can in doing impactful your data set to the client, to your manager, to your friend, to the public, how you can presented the vis and with the visual, because no one wants to see the page by page datas, right? Today's modern generation, there are not so much time, just only 5 to 8 minutes. If in any company or any field, if you do with your projects, with your data is everywhere. There, if anyone or your superior wants, okay, let's see me what you have done. If you give him the page by page data or all the details in a hectic way in Microsoft Word or in Microsoft Excel, he or she just frustrated. So it is very much necessary in how in a short time you presented, or how your work will be presentable manner to him or her, that will attract your work to you, to them, sorry. So that's the visualization we need. So in Matplotlib, line chart, bar chart, column chart, pie chart already done, we can do it. But we also do histogram, okay, we also do scatter plot, we also do 3D plot, 3D models also there, and obviously we also work with image, okay. So these things we also do with Matplotlib. Everyone clear? A smart brief with
Yeah.
Matplotlib.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, so everyone with your system.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
so do with me. Okay, now let's start. And it is very much fun to learn with the Matplotlib because all the graphical representation there. So first import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT and import numpy as NP. Let's do it. Do it in your way. Import these two modules. I'm just trying to show you some 3D models. Just a minute. Okay. Then create two variable names in using numpy array. Just put down two different. Here I am using 00, then again number. You can also do it with any value, means 5 to 10, then from 100 to 20. 1 second. Okay, so just creating it, and I will show how to means how we can do it, like plotting. There is a small plot like structure. Everyone complete or done? Hello.
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay, so which point from your side? Okay, I'm asking Swam, which point you have taken? Tell me the name, point name.
So x point is 1,5 and y point is 20 to 100.
1,5, right?
Yes, sir.
1,5
5 and
and
20 to 100.
sorry, not here, 1,
Yeah,
5 and
20,
20,
100. Yes, sir.
1 minute, 1 second. Where is the pen box? Yes. Okay. X is equal to 1, 5 and y is equal to
20,
20,
100.
100. So this is your point. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So x point should be 1, 5. Y point should be 20, 100.
100.
What will be the actual coordination or coordinate of these 2 points? Can anyone say? What is the actual coordinate of these 2 points?
1,20.
This is the actual coordinate of the
Yes,
2
sir.
point x, y. Here, when we writing this x points is equal to np dot array in the square bracket, the point, what will be the axis based point putting together, that is 1, 5, and also the y point based, the values are 20, 100. So let's check. So this is the axis. Okay. See, 1, okay, 5,
5.
and another is 20,
20,
100.
100.
See, x-axis started from 1, y-axis started from 20.
20.
Okay, and in the mathematical, y is equal to mx plus c something else, and this will be totally just like cut this point. Okay, so y-axis started from 20, done. X-axis started from 1, done. Now 5, 10, 1, 5, see, and 100. So it plotted a line from the position, exact position 1, 20. This is the coordinate of first point, and this is the coordinate of second point, 5, 100. Again, doing with another example, everyone.
So in the y-axis, if we want
Yes.
to take the gap of the 20, like starting from the 20,
10.
40, 60, 80.
Yes,
How we
20,
can do
30,
that?
40, 16, and in the x-axis, it will just 0.5, right?
Yeah, it's showing like this now, but if you want like we just remove the 30, 50, like 20, and then 40, 60, 80, 100, like that.
Okay, so that's it. According to your measurement, means you how you can put here, how the value are you putting, it will change accordingly. Just why if you like it like 10, and okay, this will be x point will be like let's happening 120. Okay, and this will be like for 20, and this will be like 240. 240. See, it will change again.
50, 100, 50, yes, sir.
Now x-axis will be 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120.
Yes, sir.
So what the value you putting, it measurement accordingly. Okay. These modules is as powerful as it change the axis value, axis gap accordingly, and then it just showcase the answer to you.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, can you explain again, please?
Okay. Just a second. So first of all, we just print the simple line. Okay. For that, we have to get 2 point. Suppose X is a point, Y is another point. Okay. Let's change the name X and Y because it is so much confusing. Also taken the variable. Let's A is a point and B is a point, 2 point. Okay. And A point coordinate is given, let's suppose 10, 150. Okay, let's change it 20, 150. And the B point coordinate, okay, is given 40, that's like 300. Okay, 300. This is the coordinate of A and B point. So the question is, we have to draw a line. We have to draw a line between this coordinate, between these points. So I think everybody know the coordinate system, X and Y. 20 is the X value.
Yes.
This is the Y value.
Y value.
40 will be the X value. 300 will be the Y value. So in the time of plotting in Matplotlib, after you import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT, import numpy as NP, here you just taking a variable. Here I'm just taking X points, np.array, numpy array, because all the operational things, all the calculation things, it's happened to the advanced Python with numpy. So here numpy np.array. Okay, it's all things, mathematical things works as array. So numpy np.array, then our coordinate. Very much careful. We print our X coordinates here, only X coordinate. So the 2 points is A and B. What will be the X coordinates? For A point, X coordinate is 20. And for B point, X coordinate is 40.
40.
And for Y coordinate, A point Y coordinate is 40.
50.
So, sorry, 150. 150. And B point Y coordinate is 300. X point, sorry, A point Y coordinate is 150 and B point Y coordinate is 300. Just change it. Again, A and B 2 point have coordinate 20, 150 and 40, 300. Okay. When we put or when we draw a line between two given points that has already given the coordinate, first of all, X value put there. Okay. np.array, X coordinate of A point 20, X coordinate of B point 40. Done. Now for the Y coordinates. Y points is equal to np.array, Y coordinate of A point 150, Y coordinate of B point 300. Done. Now the function that will print PLT dot plot. Okay. Plot is the function that will showcase the graph. So the variable name X points, comma Y points. Okay. And the function for showing PLT dot show. Okay. Now check this. See. So here is the axis 20, 22.5, 25.0, 27.5. The x-axis gap is 2.5 and y-axis gap is 20. So our a coordinate is 20, 150. Let's check. 20, 150 means this point will be 140. This point, okay, starting point, the starting point of this quadrilateral. See, starting point 140 and the which act, normal act, which is 0, 0. But here 140. It's checked accordingly our graph. Okay.
Thank you
Then
so much.
how it will be increase in 20 value, 140, then 160, 180, 200, 220, and the middle portion would be 150. So 20, 150 is there, and another one is 40, 300, 40, 300. Clear?
So there
How
is one
the
query.
yes.
Why this x is showing in the points? Like we didn't give any number in the points now.
No,
Just
not
given
it is
20.
in the previous example, it is showing as 20, 40, 60, which example
Yeah,
you have given.
yeah,
So, but here it
and
is given as showing as 20, because just like dividation, graph dividation rule, according they are AI or they are based, which the Matplotlib is actually the module of its own functionality, own visualization things. How the graph gap or axis gap it is divide, it's upon them, the module. It will showcase you the graph.
okay,
Okay.
sir.
Totally its power. That is the power that in other process we have to put x-axis gap is this, y-axis gap is this. But then is it the correct answer or is it showcased very clearly? That will be the question after doing it. But for the Python, as the library are inbuilt or module library, okay, so it will help us not just to put the variable, just to put the value, and it will give us the answer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I think everyone know the starting point. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Is there any query from your side? Anyone? Okay. So now the syntax. You can please note this very carefully, because I will demonstrate what the process or how the plot is going on. But in further project work, further operation, there are uh, so much way to visualize things in Matplotlib. So this is the syntax. Okay. Uh, Ignore the first line. Now from starting with the parameters, the function accept parameters that enable us to set access scales. Okay. Format the graph. Now plot x comma y. Okay. This syntax means plot x and y using default line, style, and color. Okay. The in Python library default line color is blue, normal blue. Plot dot axis, x mean comma x max, y mean comma y max. It means scales the x-axis and y-axis from minimum to maximum values. Okay. Number 3 is plot dot x comma y, color green, marker O, line style dashed, line width 2, marker size 12. I will show the example of this number 3 point. Okay. X and y coordinate, first it will print, then the color of the graph of the line graph will be green. Marker means in middle point, those who are the main points of the graph, it will marked as O, means ring circle. It is not O, it is ring. Line style, this line is not simply mean no dashed or dotted. Okay, but if you put dashed, it will look like this. it will look like this. And dotted means this. I'll show the example, no issue. Line width, how this line width look like, it will showcase this. Marker size, this ring circle size, this ring circle would be look like this. The main executive points will be plotted, and this circle, this ring or this marker, the size would be how much, it will also you can showcase. This is the 3 point. Number 4, the and 5 both are label. Okay, label means here and here, what actually the x-axis definition, or which x-axis would be like, means like India Bangladesh cricket match analysis. This x-axis is plotting for the India batsman and this y-axis for the Bangladesh batsman. So this called label. Okay, so you can change the name of the axis, x-axis and y-axis name also like that, can do it. And last one is label sample line. It's normally plotted the sample lines as a legend. Okay, just a simple line also printed with the name. So this is the syntax, how you can format your graph. One by one I show the example. Okay, but please note this syntax, this is the actual thing, because when you do any type of course, okay, any type of Python notes, no one should be demonstrate you what actual the syntax look like in Matplotlib. So this is the syntax that will help you how you can use to plot in your dataset graphs. Please note the syntax. Done, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's take the example. Okay. First, import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. Okay, done. Please do it with me. Okay. Do it with me. Now, 3 variables I am taking. 3 variables. Year 1972, 1982, 1992, 2002, 2012. These variables, years variable in between 10-year gap, I'm putting here. And another one, another 2 is India, Bangladesh. This actual graph plotting is cricket economy growth per 5 years of India and Bangladesh till 2010. That will be the heading. You can change heading accordingly. This is a subject heading. I just use here. First, we import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. Then taking year. This is the value of the year portion. And India, Bangladesh, 2. Random value I have taken. Random value. Here, year act as x-axis. And India, Bangladesh, both value act as y-axis. Okay, both value act as y-axis. Now check. PLT dot plot. PLT dot plot. Year, comma, which value? India. And then color. Very much careful about the spelling of color. COLOUR, not here. Here the color spelling is COLOR. Okay. You can change color. I will send a list. Okay. How many colors are there? How many labels or marker you can use? How many line you can use? I will send a list now. And label India. Again, PLT dot plot, comma, year, comma, this will be Bangladesh. Change your color. I'm not using green. I'm using green, but change your color. Blue, yellow, gold, black. Taken. Color would be, I am using green, comma, label, the name, Bangladesh. Done. Okay. Now, axis, names the axis. Okay. What will be it? Till this already done by everyone? Till this?
Done, sir.
Okay. Now, the axis name, PLT dot X label is equal to years. Make it capital, the year. Okay. And again, PLT dot Y label. This cricket economic growth. Okay. C dot 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 dot. Cricket economic growth. And what would be the title? This is the label. What will be the title of the graph? You can do it.
Cricket economy growth for 5 years of
PLT
India and
dot
Bangladesh.
title using then in between these things. And how you can show PLT dot legend. This is the visualization term legend to show which plot, which the name is there. PLT dot show. Total, this is the plotting visualization functions. Now just run it and tell me how it's look like. Anyone face any issue, any error?
Done, sir.
Okay. So just a second. If I run it, it will print this. This is the label. Okay. And previously I'm saying this in the bottom. This will the X label, Y label, axis name. Okay. X label, Y label, axis name, and normal label would be like here. Cricket economic growth per 5 years of India and Bangladesh till 2010. Okay. So see, x-axis is years, y-axis is cricket economic growth. Okay. At the time of plotting, year also x-axis, but India, Bangladesh values are separately as y-axis. So 100.6, 10.5. Let's check 100.6. Okay. And then it will be looks like 10.5. Okay. 158.61. I hope there would be. Okay. And again 305.54. I think there would be. So when we put the marker in the next graph, I will see you can exactly confirm. Everyone get this type of graph in your Jupyter notebook? Or anyone face any issue? Any
You
query?
can just show the code once. It's
Yes.
showing error in
Yes.
my.
Okay.
So it's showing the error in my Jupyter notebook.
Where it is showing error?
In the 7th line, like PLT plot year India color.
India color. Okay.
Yeah.
Share your screen.
Yes.
Just a second. Save as downloaders. Yes. There are no name of dark green, I think. The list will I will send.
But it's showing error in 7th, na? Like,
Remove the dark. Yes,
but at last it's showing this.
No, this will have shapes 5 point. Okay, go.
Okay.
India color Bangladesh year. Okay, year label also India Bangladesh. Green spelling.
GR triple yes. Oh, sorry.
Then also okay. So plt.plot year India color India red. In this line plt.plot import matplotlib.pyplot as plt year 1972 India. Okay, Bangladesh also there. plt.plot year India color red label label is equal to India. Okay, that's fine. Then Bangladesh COLOR color green label Bangladesh. What is showing here? See. 1 second. PLT.x label. What name you have given there? Years.
Yes.
So what will be the no? Yes, that is a new name. So there will be no issue. But Don't. Okay, copy the code again and run in a new kernel. Run the code. You send me. What will not be?
Doesn't show anything. Again the same error.
What error? Green or hex? Return arch plt.plot year index. Can you see yellow or red? Can you give any space? Remove the space before red.
It's removed, sir.
No. Before inverted comma.
This.
Yes,
Sir.
remove the space. Yes.
In between color and red, I should there will be equals to.
Yeah, I put
Yes.
equal to you now.
That is
There
Color
putting
equals
the
to red.
color equals to red. Yes.
Red.
Yes. And also green. Yes, remove the space.
And
Then
level
run.
equals to India and level equals to Bangladesh also.
Yes. Why this is showing error? Same line plt dot value error. Try color gold. Okay. Value error. This is showing value error. That's why the problem is trying color gold. Run it. What is the problem?
Okay, just.
Oh,
Yeah,
you just putting comma there.
Comma, yes, sir, yes, sir.
That's why this is the problem.
Yeah, now it's showing the correct one.
Yes. See, this is the small mistake and totally as it is a controlled by its own, so it's only direct showing error.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now stop sharing your screen.
Can I share my screen?
Yes, you can share.
Yeah. I know I don't have any error, but I want to know whether it is right or.
Okay. Okay, in the chat box, I'm sending a file. The py file means open.
Sir,
Open.
just
Yes.
I didn't give the proper title, just I give
Yes. No issue. No issue. No issue.
is this okay?
Okay, the value is 990, 2000, 2010, 2020. Okay. Okay, scroll down in the graph.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. And scroll up again.
One second.
This is the value. Okay, for 70, 90, and 70. Okay, scroll down.
So 1 second, I have changed the value.
80, 80. Okay, 80, 80, 90. Yes, 70. This would be look like run it. Okay, 80, 80. That will matched in a section. India and Bangladesh both 80, 80. And 2010 one is 70. 2010 180. Okay. It is minimized. 2010 one is I think 85 or something else. Yes, 85 or something else. Yes, it's look like correct. No issue.
Sir, is there any syntax for give the color like
Yes,
blue?
yes. I'm sending this. Okay, all of you, please check. I am sending a file. Okay, in the chat box, and it is open with your Jupyter notebook or any Python access.py file. So what the files actually looks like, if I am opening, this is the list marker. How many marker or how many types of marker you can suggest or give? Circle. Oh, first of all, I'm not giving the example of marker now. So just ignore it. Just take it with you. Now, again example, linear plot with line formatting using Matplotlib. Okay. We can also do it more deeply. Same, import matplotlib.pyplot as plt, year, India, Bangladesh. Now formatting.
போயிட்டு இருக்கேன் எனக்கு ஒன்றும் புரியல
plt dot plot.
எனக்கு தெரியாதுங்க முடிஞ்சோடனே நான் வரேன்
Oh, okay. Gayatri,
சார்
please stop share your screen. I'm just taking again. Stop share your screen.
ஓகே சார் ஒன் செகண்ட்
Okay. So if you find this, there is a total list: marker reference, line reference, color reference. Okay. Except these colors, there are more colors. Copy these links. Just a second. Given you in the chat box. This is the color codes you can find. So girls have some color, means how the color looks like. There are any shade of the color. So you can also find it from there. Okay. The list of colors I'm giving you, which type of colors you can use, color names, color code, all are given there. Wait a second. Yes. See, three link I am providing you. These three, you can find out the color. Okay. Now the thing is the plotting portion. PLT dot plot year, India, color. Now I'm taking orange. Okay. Marker. This is putting O, small o, but act as an ring. Line style, dotted. You can also see solid line, dotted line, dashed. You can also use solid. You can also use solid. No use of solid because solid is the main. The inbuilt of thing is solid. This is the solid line. But I here use dotted. Okay. Marker size. This ring size, how it look like? 12 here. I've just increased 15. Then label India. Again for the Bangladesh plt.plot here. The name Bangladesh, color blue. I'm using blue color. Marker. Here the marker is ring, means small o. Okay. Here marker is asterisk. You can use any marker here. Point, comma, small x, capital X, plus. How it look like? It all this it in the beside. Okay. So there will be D for the diamond, small d for the diamond thin, pentagon, P, hexagon, H. This type of markers is there. Okay. Then plt.x label, years, plt.y label, and then the title, as usual, the previous one. Now, if I change the color, okay. So just check it. How many colors are there? Just a second. Hexadecimal. Okay, copy. Okay. Paste. Okay, there is the code, not the color. Just a second. Color code. I'm just list. Yes, colors names. That's it. Copy. Paste. Okay, see, this is the details, color. Okay, golden rod, fire brick, flora white, deep pink. Let's try with dark salmon. Copy. Okay. Where is it? Okay. Paste. Dark salmon. Now run it. See. Got the change? Okay. Now, okay, the blue one, dark turquoise. Okay. Copy. We run it. See. Let's change the marker X. I'm sorry, the star. Yes. Tell me.
We can also use the code of that, like.
Yes. There is also code, color code.
Yeah, we can use that, no?
Yes, I can also use that. I will give example of it. Let's type of hexagon. Let's H. Okay. Oh, sorry. Wait. Round shape showing. Is there any problem? Let's take a pointer. Let's take pointer. Okay, pixel, comma. Let's try. Oh, this is look like this, no point. In Bangladesh. And then point this. Okay, this will point like this. And plus, okay. Okay. Can anyone see? This is the plus. See?
Yes, sir.
We can also change the marker color. That will comes later. Line width 2. Okay, let's change it 5. Okay. So this time, okay, the color is so much changing the own different color. Dark magneta. That will be. Okay. See, this is the color. So in this way, I've already sent you the list. You can change accordingly, taking the color name from there. So this
So
is the
in this
basics. Yes.
we are not able to see the plus sign clearly, so we can also increase the size of that, like
Yes. MS, that is used for increase the marker size. I will show it. MS. Okay. That the main thing. Now plotting the X point and Y point. Okay. Already this is the basics. How can we do plot, or how many types of plotting is there? How can we how can we painted our graph? How can we so much well presentable to the accessor? How can we use year, then color we can give, label we can give, then marker we can give. Okay, and the exact point that will show in the marker. Okay, then we can also line style, dotted or dashed or solid. The marker size also there. Here is this, you can do copy, then this, then comma. Okay. Now it is visible, right?
Yes.
Also short from marker size ms, that is also there. I will show it. So this way you can look like presentable your graph to the client, to the user or access anyone. Now let's plotting only x and y points. Okay, not to the, you can say, not the any of comparison graph, any of the comparison graph. So here the previous one that I am showing, the plot function is used to draw point. Okay, the plot function is used to draw point in a diagram. The plot function also draws a line from point to point. 1, 3, 8, 10, 2 points is there, are there, and plot function that will draw a line. That color is blue from the basic level. It is at present blue. Parameter 1 would be containing the points of x-axis, means 1, 8. Here, point 1 is 1, 3. X coordinate is 1, y coordinate is 3. And point, this is point, another point that is x coordinate 8, y coordinate 10. But when we given the parameter containing the x-axis means 1, 8, and parameter 2 containing the points of y-axis means 3, 10, that I am showing previously. So it will see this type of graph. Okay. Now, if we not putting any type of line, just the point, what we can do? Import matplotlib .pyplot as plt, then import numpy as np. Okay, x points, point is 1, 3, 8, 10, but x coordinates are 1, 8, y coordinates are 3, 10. Then plt.plot x points, y points, 0, the marker. If we run it, it only just show the points, only just show the points, not drawing any of the line. So plotting without line, do it now. Plotting without line. Do it very quickly.
Show the code on some. Uh, Sir, in marker, this is that will, oh sir, it's not 0, because if I put 0 means
Zero,
it shows
zero
error.
actually means ring, not zero, small o.
Yeah, yes sir. Yeah.
This is the ring. Here also plus. If we
Okay,
do, if we changes to asterisk, it also do.
okay, sir.
Done, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Till now, we are working with only 2 points. But suppose there are 4 points. There are 4 points. 1, 7, 4, 9, 7, 10, 11, 15. How the graph would look like? Tell me from your side, what are the x coordinates?
1,3.
1 comma? No,
One.
no. From this,
The
this is the 4 points. 1,
Okay.
7, 4, 9, 7, 10, 11, 15. Now tell me the x coordinates are
1,4 are the x coordinate. No, 1,4, 7, 11.
yes, 4 points, na?
Yeah, 1, 4, 7, 11. Sorry.
What are the y coordinates?
7, 9, 10, 15.
Now let's check. Clear?
Yes. Sir.
And the point breakout section, it will just a little bit sharper portion it will create. When we point here marker, then it will show the ring, the asterisk, the plus, as usual. Now, if these points only look like, just a second. Hello, okay. So, if there y coordinates already given, means suppose this is the given there, okay. NP dot y is equal to NP dot array. Five, 7, 9, 11, but no x coordinate value is given. Okay, no x coordinate value is given, just only y coordinate value is given. For there, it's by default the value starting from 0, means 0, 1, 2, 3. If there is again any value, then it will increase as 4. If they again any value, this increase as 5. Okay. If only y value is given there, no x values are given there, by default x values starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clear? Let's check.
Yes,
Check with your system. Check with your system. Done, everybody? Any query? Any issue?
No, sir.
Okay. Now, if we just put marker inside it, no x values is there, only y point is given, and extra we do marker, then how it look like? See,
Just it
markers
shows
also
the
given there.
marker.
If we change, see, asterisk also given there. So you can take a snapshot of it. You can do it by your own marker. Now the thing is
Sir,
from yes, still.
It doesn't show any line in my code.
Why? Show
Just
it.
a second. So, it's shown like this only.
plt.plot np.array 13 45 65 y points. Okay. One thing, just a second. Oh, you just putting here only the
Asterisk.
no, only the these things. Oh, behind before inverted comma right marker. Then it will create a line and then specify the marker.
Okay.
Understand? If you
Yes.
not mentioning the marker, then it's supposed to just dotted the points with the marker.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So, okay, you can stop share your screen. Okay. So there I will start marker reference from next day. But for your side, I'm just showcase you a 3D model. Okay. How does 3D model is look like? Sin 25 is there. Okay. What will be the jet line space 01 comma? Okay, we put it 30. So this is the 3D model. You can also create it. Okay. So 3D model looks like with Matplotlib and the detail, not extra uses of 3D model. After completing line plot, bar plot, histogram, then pie chart, donut chart, then I'm just small showcase of this 3D model. There are different types of 3D model also there. And what I have showed you, the color links, the line reference, and the marker reference. Please visit it because how many types of color you have been put there. And there are also the things that is, see, marker is equal to O, means small o means marker type, and ms act as marker size. There I am writing in totally descriptive marker size, but in short form ms is equal to 20. This is the marker size. If we do it mec, mec means marker age color. This is the marker and this is the age. What type of color is this? Okay. And MFC means marker face color. What is the inside marker color? If I demonstrate, this is the marker. Okay. Type of marker is ring. MS, how many bigger it would be? It is called marker size. MEC, marker edge color means if I do it like that, this is the marker edge color. And MFC means marker face color. This is the marker face color. Outside is blue, but inside is red. Inside portion is marker face color. Outside lines, circular line is marker edge color. In a single code, totally in a single code, you can do it like that. Import matplotlib. Okay, let's write this example in your system. Import matplotlib.pyplot as plt, import numpy as np, then y points like that, plt dot plot, then y points, then marker o means small o ring, ms marker size would be 20, mec marker h color is given r, you can give it to I hope black, mfc would be red, r, you can also do it like this. Clear? If it would be like gold. Clear? Try it to system. Marker shape, marker types you can see, marker size, marker edge color, marker face color. In a single example, I will demonstrate all. Marker size, marker edge color, marker face color. MS, MEC, MFC. Clear with the example?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is the three separate example I am showing you in a single example. Okay, so this also why it also left. So this is, you can use also the shortcut string notation. Okay, shortcut string notation as parameter. This is called as FMT parameter, format strings. FMT, format strings. No definition or no single things. I am just totally show you the example, then you can understand, because visualization portion is not about notes, totally example. Syntax is marker type, then would be line type, or you can say line reference, then would be color. Remind this syntax. Same as import matplotlib as pyplot, import numpy as np, y point, no x point is given, so it is starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And when it is time to plot, plt dot plot, y points, comma, this is the syntax using the inverted comma. Here O, marker type is O. This is colon or used to line type. See in the note, I am showing you the reference. Dotted lines. This signs means dotted lines, and double dash mean dashed line. Single dash then dot means dashed and dotted line, dashed or dotted line together. Let's check. Okay, now this and this. Clear?
Yes, sir.
And R is the color. You can change it like, okay, B, blue. Okay, if you change it like this, just remind this syntax. If you change like this, see? Okay. Okay, do it. So this is the marker, various types of information about marker. Okay. Next day, we moving on to the graphs. First of line chart. Clear everyone from today?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay, so
Sir,
we will, yes,
hello.
yes.
Sir, can you share the code for to the plot?
Oh, okay. Today's Matplotlib code, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just a second.
Sir, we can use this plot system for the string also, or we can use it only for the numerical also.
This FMT is like short form of coding or anything to going on, okay? But
Yes, sir.
you can do it like string and short form like blue color B, red color R. You can do it.
No, sir.
For
No,
the
sir. My question is, we give the array values like that. No, we can use it for only numerical value, right? We can use for combining.
for which?
Sir, if I, for example, for the corona data set, we compare countryside, country and activity cases like that.
Okay. So that's why you are who is something getting error in country region, Australia, India, in the basis of comparison means there is a you have to put a graph in which basis you have been put a graph means there is the economy rate between India and Australia, India and Pakistan, India and South Africa, India and Bangladesh. So that would be the numerical value, na?
Yes, yes, yes.
Whenever you visualize we plotting anything else, it would be means it
Numerical
would
value.
be numerical values. How you
Okay,
can then measure the graph?
okay, sir.
Okay, so
Okay,
sending the today's note in the chat box.
okay, sir. Sir, I will share the attendance sheet.
Yes, you can share in the chat box. Just a second.